Hello, YALSA friends. My name is Meaghan Hunt Wilson, and I am a special projects librarian for the Metropolitan Library System in Oklahoma City. I am here to say a quick hello today and tell you a little bit about the YALSA Teen Mental Health Interest Group, which I'm the convener of, and also to share with you a little information about a webinar that is coming up in August that I encourage all of you to join, whether you're an interest group member or not. So the YALSA Teen Mental Health Interest Group got its start at the YALSA Symposium in 2014 in Austin, Texas. A lot of members in attendance at that conference really got involved in some discussions about an emerging trend in YA literature, which was this very real, not after school specially handling of teen mental health and how that affects their everyday lives, whether it be interacting with friends or dating, going to school. And for us, we think of the interactions we have at the library and how teen mental health may play into those interactions as well. So the Teen Mental Health Interest Group, our mission is to bring interested individuals together to explore the issue of teen mental health and, of course, the way this impacts library services for and with teens. The group serves as a forum for pre-professionals, library workers, and youth advocates to network and share information and resources. So we hope that this webinar will be a first step for some of us to not just learn more about how to handle these interactions with teens to the best of our ability, but also to build some bridges in the community that might help this population the most. So the webinar itself is going to be on Thursday, August 18th at 2 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Central. You can work back through the time zones from there. But the webinar is great services to support teen mental health. Ashley Fontaine, who is the Executive Director of NAMI, the National Association for Mental Illness, yes, that's right, acronym, in Seattle, is going to be hosting the webinar. And for library staff, it can be a challenge to know how to best serve teens with mental health information needs. Maybe your print collection doesn't quite have the right kind of material that's geared toward teenagers searching for their own information needs. I found at my library we had a lot geared toward parents. We had a lot geared toward adults who wanted their own mental health information, but not so much in print for teenagers. So went out online and started looking at what was there and had more conversations within the interest group that I invite you to be a part of. Hopefully some takeaways for this webinar for you will be that you'll have an increased sense of capability when it comes to providing information to these teens when they come to the desk looking for assistance. And hopefully some suggestions for connecting with your community agencies, how those partnerships can help to serve teens seeking mental health support and information. And we also help to provide you with some ways to successfully evaluate and respond to the questions you get at the desk. Sometimes teenagers aren't always the best at formulating their question, and that reference interview can get a little bit difficult. So we hope to provide you with some tools for having a really successful interaction and helping your teens find the information they need. So again, I invite you to join us on August 18th for the webinar. And if you're interested in having more of these conversations with your colleagues across the country, please contact me and we are happy to put you on the interest group mailing list. My email is mhuntwilson@metrolibrary.org, and we hope to see you on the webinar and be talking to you soon. Thanks, YALSA.